Get ready to conquer the trails with the top 5 hardtail mountain bikes of 2023. In this video, we'll dive into the world of off-road adventures, exploring the most versatile, high-performance, and thrilling hardtail mountain bikes available. Whether you're a seasoned mountain biker or just starting out, these bikes will take your riding experience to the next level. So let's gear up and hit the trails together. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. It's time to kick things off with the all-new Genius. This hardtail mountain bike is designed to push the boundaries of performance and versatility. It's a game-changer in the world of hardtail mountain bikes. What sets this beauty apart is its cutting-edge frame technology, engineered for maximum stiffness and responsiveness on the trail. With a lightweight carbon fiber frame, precise geometry, and a well-balanced suspension system, it offers an incredibly smooth and agile ride. Plus, it's packed with top-tier components that make it a versatile choice for all kinds of riders. The Genius is ready to take on any trail with ease. Whether you're tackling technical climbs or ripping through downhill descents, this bike will keep you in control and craving for more. Coming in at number 4 is the E140 MTB. While hardtail bikes are often associated with traditional trail riding, the E140 challenges that notion. It's an electric hardtail bike that blends the best of both worlds. The raw, exciting experience of a hardtail with the power of an electric motor. This hardtail mountain bike is built to conquer rough terrains and provide riders with an electrifying off-road experience. With its powerful electric motor and rugged design, the 140 MTB will take your adventures to new heights. This bike is all about conquering challenging terrains effortlessly. With a robust frame and advanced motor technology, it can tackle steep inclines and rough trails with ease, offering a thrilling ride for adventure seekers. Say goodbye to steep climbs and hello to effortless ascents. Our number 3 pick is the Turbo Levo, an absolute powerhouse in the world of electric hardtail mountain bikes. This hardtail mountain bike combines the thrill of traditional mountain biking with the power of electric assistance. With its seamless integration of pedal assist technology, the Turbo Levo allows you to tackle longer and more demanding trails without breaking a sweat. What makes this bike special is its integration of cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most advanced eMTBs on the market. It features a powerful and efficient electric motor that provides pedal assist when you need it most, giving you that extra push to conquer any ascent. The Turbo Levo is a hardtail that's perfect for riders who want to explore farther and faster, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced riders. Moving on number 2, we have the Orbi Oise. This hardtail mountain bike is a true masterpiece of engineering and design. Created for speed and performance, the Orbi Oise is ideal for cross-country racers and riders seeking lightning-fast climbs and precise handling. With its lightweight frame and advanced components, this bike will make every second on the trail count. The Oise is all about race-ready performance with a frame that's both lightweight and incredibly responsive. Its geometry and suspension are meticulously engineered for precise handling on technical trails. Whether you're racing or simply craving that adrenaline rush, the Orbi Oise delivers on all fronts. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick for the top hardtail mountain bike of 2023 is the Haibike Like. This German marvel is an embodiment of what a hardtail mountain bike should be. This hardtail mountain bike is the epitome of power and versatility. Designed to tackle the most challenging terrains, the Haibike Like delivers unmatched performance and stability. Whether you're a seasoned trail rider or an adrenaline junkie seeking extreme adventure, this bike will keep you at the edge of your seat and leave you craving for more. With a high-quality carbon frame and a design that's focused on performance, the Like is not only incredibly lightweight, but also remarkably robust. It boasts top-tier components, precise handling, and impeccable climbing ability, making it an exceptional choice for riders who demand the absolute best. There you have it, our top 5 hardtail mountain bikes of 2023. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a racer, or someone who craves adventure, there's a hardtail on this list for you. Which one resonates with your riding style? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Next Coolest Gadgets for more exciting MTB reviews.